There are three types of environment remediation. First, soil remediation. One of common type of environment contamination is soil contamination. Soil contamination can occur due to a spill from hazardous waste site, improper disposal of hazard materials or an underground tank leak. Soil remediation involves excavating, removing the contaminated soil and replicating it is clean soil. In some cases, treatment may be necessary to remove the contaminants from the soil before it replaced. Next, number 2, water remediation. Water contamination can also serious problem. Water contamination can occur due to agricultural runoff, sewage, leaks of industrial discouraged water. Most common treatment methods in reverse osmosis, which removes pollutants from water by piercing the through expansible membrane. Other treatment methods includes active carbons and ion exchange. Number 3, air contamination can be caused by emission factories or power plants. Air remediation involves reducing or eliminating the emission that are causing pollution. Can be done by installing scrubs on smoke duct or using filters factories. Air remediation also includes planting tree and vegetation, which help improving air quality by absorbing pollutants. In importance of environment remediation, there are many reasons why environment remediation important. One of the most important reason is that protects human health. Air, water, and soil can contain harmful contaminants that can cause variety of health problems, include respiratory problems, skin irritation, and cancer. Environment remediation important because protects environment from harmful effects, pollution, contamination, air